What if you never had to search for a better app again, because your app just builds the features you need? So this is a live demo. I'm added to site users. So you need to switch between users. So imagine you need to sign in, sign out, blah, 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 all these things. And users want new feature. Imagine this one. So I'm asked, can you add I want some specific feature. I want to play a ping pong game. Sometimes it generates feature for current user, not for all. Every user can generate features they want, they specifically need. So as you see, plugin installed, and we have a button to play ping pong. Oh, nice game. Press start. We can play ping pong. And the thing here is only this user have this feature. So idea is to get users to add some specific features, but only for one user. So any user can add feature they want. You want Kanban board? Okay. You want progress bar? Okay. Every user have the specific sandbox mode, and they have all the customizations they really want. I'm Ivan Stepanok. After a decade in business and design, I became a mobile developer to build my own products. And the other day I stumbled onto something interesting, a way to stop AI slop. Seriously. So here's the situation. Open Reddit right now. Any developer subreddit. What will you see? I built a new to-do list because every other one sucks. Every single day. Another to-do list. Another budget tracker. Another habit tracker. The world is drowning in to-do apps. And in 2025, AI slop became Merriam-Webster's Word of the Year. So yeah, you get the scale. App stores are drowning in apps that some neural network generated over the weekend. Apple's review times went up because there's just too many apps. Indie developers are losing money. I've seen people online talk about their income dropping. Dramatical drop. The industry is shaking. But here's the thing nobody talks about. There is a cycle, the circle of AI slop in nature, and it works like this. A user finds an app, it does 90% of what they need, great. But there's one feature missing, just one, and suddenly the app is garbage. Now, if this user is a developer, they go, I can build this better in one evening, and they do. And they publish it. And if they're not a developer, they go to the App Store, download something else, which is also 90% fine, but is missing some other feature. Either way, there's now another app on the App Store, which is also missing something that someone else needs. And the cycle repeats. And with the vibe coding, with one-click app generators, this cycle now spins 10 times faster. More apps, more clones, more slop. 2 months later, half of them are abandoned. Beautiful cycle, right? A whole ecosystem, just a useless one. So I thought, what if we could break it? The whole problem is that no app can be perfect for everyone. It's just impossible? Or not? You need tags on your tasks. I need statistic. Someone needs a Pomodoro timer. Someone wants bigger fonts. Someone wants dark mode. And someone wants confetti flying across the screen when they complete a task. That's just who they are. What can you do? And the developer sits there thinking, which future do I build? The same ones for everyone. One size fits all, and someone will always be missing something. But what if we didn't have to do that? What if the app had an AI agent built in and every user could just tell it what they need? I call this app molding. You take an existing app and you mold it to fit you, like clay with words. And this is not vibe coding. Vibe coding creates new apps from scratch. That's cool, but it just feels the same cycle. App molding is when an existing app adapts to each user individually. If every app can be molded to fit you, the need to build a new app that's 10% different from existing ones just disappear. What will matter is not clones, but apps that deliver a fundamentally new experience, actually new ideas. That's how we break the cycle. Not with bans, not with App Store moderation, by removing the very reason people churn out clones in the first place. And this isn't something I can do alone, this is an idea for the entire industry. If you are a developer, mobile, web, whatever, think about it. What if you added this to your app? An AI agent that lets users add what they personally missing. The more apps that adopt this, the less reason there's to build another clone. We can actually choke out AI slop, not by fighting it, but by removing the reason it exists. App molding. If you are curious where this goes, subscribe. Or don't. I'm gonna do it anyway. Oh, and one more thing. Sam, if you watch this, let's collab.